Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome to Colin's Chaos. Today's project, we're going to work on installing the floor in the cabin. Now this shed came with a plywood floor that already had some texture on it, but we're going to go ahead and cover it up with a waterproof flooring that I got at Menards. So that's what we're going to do today. I've already taped off where my cabinets are going to go for the kitchen area, and cleaned everything else out. Make sure we're having no high spots, all the nails are down. But let's get this floor installed. Thank you guys for watching. Hey guys, as we take a little break from installing that flooring, just wanted to show you this is one of the reasons why I selected this area to put this little cabin in. This little creek, when it's running through here, it's pretty beautiful. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't already subscribed, I want you to do me a favor and do that. Give me a comment, leave me a like, and I appreciate you guys watching these videos. I'll try to make them as good as I can. Thanks guys. Alright, so the flooring that I'm using is just a vinyl plank with the locking edges. It is 100% waterproof. I did talk to the gentleman at Menards in the flooring department, and I was going to put down that foam padding before I put the floor down, but he suggested that with this particular plank that I didn't need that, so that's why I haven't put down that foam padding. So I appreciate you guys watching. Let's get this floor finished up. All right, everybody, this floor is done. I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to start working on the walls next, but check this floor out while we get on to the next video.